Hi, I want to tell you about my packing. I always try to improve my packing. It is an ongoing process. Over the years, I've had so many different ways of packing my orders. Now I've decided to reuse elements from my old illustration to design new cute envelopes. I just wish to my art live longer. My plan was to create a small variety of versatile envelopes. Editing and tidying up the files takes some time. I want everything to look very neat, precise, and fancy when printed. I plan to print it on craft paper. At first, I tried to print it on thick cardboard, but small envelopes didn't fold well. So I just gave up on this idea. Well, I made several different designs. Even better than I expected. Large envelopes I printed on thick floral paper. I understand the importance of branding. I never had enough time to do it more thoroughly. The main idea was to create an elegant packing without a large financial outlay, only time. Of course, it is possible to order branded packing with gilding and embossing from manufacturers, but a small artist rarely can afford it. For a small artist, it is important to take a balance between spectacular, soulful packaging and not to cost like an airplane. Some of the illustrations that I use here are already outdated and were not popular as prints, unfortunately. Even hit illustrations have a life cycle. My policy is to keep them alive as long as possible. Unlike other artists, I don't spend hours but days or weeks drawing art. I'm a very slow drawer, just a snail. Therefore, I want my efforts to make the most sense. To be honest, I just love the routine manual work and the embodiment of my creativity. When I was working as a CG artist, I missed it. I know it's not for everyone. Someone finds it's kind of boring. Fine motor skills things are relaxing. So I'm packing my bloody sticker set in the background. In terms of packing, things like sets and bundles make it easier to create all the magic. I know it is so fun unpack sticker set after sticker set, one by one. A more challenging task to make an order with an only one single sticker look cool too. I have accumulated a lot of different stickers and decided to combine them in different thematic sets. Blend had also cottagecore sets, mermaids, butterflies, and others. By the way, the washi type that I use for decor are also with my design. You probably noticed it. So far, I've only made two washi types by this moment. More other types will soon come to me from the manufacturer. I hope I can record a video about it. So the final version looks not bad. I'm satisfied with the result. What do you think? The wax stamp isn't a cherry on the cake. Packaging looks much more fancy with it. Previously, I used a standard simple packing. I also experimented with different materials. It also looks cute. I just wanted to add more personality to my things, to every little detail. My opinion, it is impossible to underestimate the importance of packing. Packaging is an important part of the presentation of art. The gem must be faceted. And now, as you can see, I am going to pack a new order with several sticker sets. It came when I recorded this video. Unfortunately, the time of stickers is slowly passing. I add less and less sticker sets to my shop. This was influenced by a lot of factors: the crisis, extremely oversaturated market, general decline in people's interest in art, and more and more. I give 100% that AI has influenced even traditional artists who deal with handmade things. Also, stickers are easiest products that beginners artists can make. This is usually what small artists start their small business with. Yes, all this stuff is said, but that's life. I still love making stickers and I am going to do it by the end. I add a little bonus surprise to every letter. I also use wrapping paper for my orders with my pattern. I still have a huge list of what can be improved in the packaging. Like I said, it's an ongoing process. I try to put a little bit time on each basket. improvement of packaging, creation of art and products, creation of content for social media. Little baby steps in every direction. It all takes some time, but you can be sure it's all done with a lot of love. I just love all this process to the last detail. Of course, I hope that connoisseurs of my art will find the unpacking of these letters entertaining and enjoyable. I don't believe that anyone has watched it until now, but thank you. Big hugs. I'll leave all my links in the description if anything. My shop, my Etsy, and my Patreon. Thank you for support.